Sorry about the background noise, guys, because we're camped out like right by this busy highway, and let me tell you, it is busy all night long and all day. It doesn't stop.
You see these stands up.
Oh yeah, they do. You need to wash your face. You're dirty if you have orange all over your face.
Mom, stands up, see?
Oh, it does stand up. Well, that's pretty cool. Mika, why are your lips blue? Did you color on your lips? Silly. So Jesse and Dustin have been working on this little thing for a couple of days.
We have to build this under part. These purple, red, purple, yellow. We need 2 of those. Purple, red, purple,
so far,
yellow.
all of this, Jesse and Dustin have done alone. You guys are doing really good, huh? Isn't that right? But each day they start it in the evening and it gets dark, and so they kind of stop early. And so they follow the instructions.
There's even a speed boost.
Oh, that's cool. I can't wait till we finish it.
And the former fans make it go all the way around without falling at all.
Oh, yeah?
You just have to put it very far back, like here to here.
Oh.
I know how it makes it go. I know how it makes it stay. This is how it makes it stay.
Maybe one more like this.
Goes on here.
So it's going to be like a little roller coaster. It's going to be really fun.
Goes on here and it doesn't cross. That's how it does.
So they were playing with these magnet tiles for a couple days. They're like super awesome. You can like build things with them. Like big huge castles or big huge houses. They make trains. And then if you have a light underneath these, like under like a plexiglass table, they light up. It's very fun. So that's a project that I have for my husband, is to build us a table specifically for these with a plexiglass top with a light underneath, so that way they can play with them in the dark and then the light will illuminate through these tiles. It's like the coolest thing in the world. What you doing, Isaiah? Oh yeah? Wow, you guys are doing so good!
We found it! Yes, we found it!
Yay, good job! You guys are working together so well.
Gosh, it's intense.
I know, they love it. They're like really into it. I know, I built one with them, like it was way bigger than that.
Yeah, it used the big pieces. This one uses the miniatures.
We're so confused.
I'm so confused. The lighting just is not very good.
Daddy, hurry up! Look, is this on this side, Daddy?
Yeah.
Look, these are both right?
Oh, they're crazy.
He'll come over here in a minute and show you, Jesse, okay?
No. It's close. I need a short yellow.
Dad, what about these sections right here?
Yeah, I need another color. Gray and a blue. Here, put these together. How this works. And blue.
I already got blue. Put on right here.
So this one will go. And so these need to connect in. Bubba, you work on that side, and then Jesse get this side. Go around, Shayla.
Doesn't this blue go here, Dad?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
Shayla, let Dustin sit there. Will you tell Ashla and Mika and you guys could all get started on your chores, okay? Because we're going to go hiking soon.
Mom, your yogurt is all gone.
I know. We'll have to buy some more.
And Dustin snuck some.
It's okay. That's what it's for. It's to eat.
Here.
And also Ziggy ate the granola.
Okay.
Blue and orange, we need to go into that. Leave this hanging up here. All right, I'll make the square out of the blues.
You want to help, Kiara?
Rest.
Kiara, you want to help?
This
It's really
way.
fun.
Not just 300.
Why don't you help them out? It's really fun. It's going to be a roller coaster. We love this kind of stuff, Kiara. It's kind of like Legos, but a little bit different.
And we're all
It's kind of neater than Legos.
You can't even build a house with this.
You can't build a house, but you can build a roller coaster, and it actually has a little roller coaster that goes on the tracks.
Mom,
You can't build that with Legos.
Look in the bucket. We're almost done.
Wow, you guys are almost done. You're doing great.
Eric, don't take
All right, now I need an orange one going from there to there.
Okay. I want to do other one. No, I want to do one. No, I got the Marla, so I get to do all of them. No.
And I need
I
blue
want-
ones.
that's not-
Here, Jesse. I need blue one coming off here.
Let Kiara help. Let Kiara do one.
Orange one.
So if you want to see how it goes in, you can kind of watch Jesse. It kind of slides in from the side and it snaps right in. You got it. Good job, Kiara.
One right.
We already had these ones.
You helped us last time when we did this?
No, when we had the last house we moved out of.
Oh, okay. I remember. Yes, I remember.
Well, we have the
So
circle.
orange one coming off right here.
Yeah, I remember that.
Right. I've got right here. And another blue one right here.
I want to put that there.
Put the top one on, Jess.
No, I want it.
You guys work together, okay? No, you guys gotta. Oh, Jesse, what do you say? Say pardon me.
All right, and I need a blue one
I want to put it
attached to there.
on. Is Daddy?
And there it is.
Daddy like this?
Yes, like that.
Daddy, I don't know what you mean by the bottom. He doesn't know where to put the bottom piece.
Oh, wait, Jesse. Wait. It needs to go out this way.
Dad,
The bottom goes in here.
do you know where to like this or
Hold on.
where?
We need to turn this one.
Where?
We need to turn this one.
There.
Okay, good. And
Good
this
job,
one.
Jesse.
Dad, look. This is right. Right? Hey, 10. This is right.
That looks right to me. Looks correct.
Dad, here. Just connect your buddies.
To build stuff with.
Oh.
We can put glue on them and build a cabin.
Make sure this stays on that side.
Ow.
Okay, we're gonna build upward off of this.
Whoa.
So we need these
Ta-da!
two together, Jess. Here, Bubba. Making progress, huh? Is it fun, Jesse?
Hey, Mom, did you get me and Jesse folders?
I don't think I did. I just got you doodle pads.
Mom, why not folders?
Dustin, please stop whining. I don't like it when you sit. Tell me what you
do the
want.
same thing up that side.
I did.
No, this side.
Okay.
These are called the cross supports. You know how it's real wobbly? When we get all those in, it won't be wobbly. Barely.
This is so fun. Oh my goodness. We got a little bit left, guys. Wow, guys, you guys are getting the track done?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. I can't wait to see it go.
We must have flew out of
now, Shayla. Boys, this is gonna be so cool. I can't wait to put the roller coaster on there.
Right there, me too.
What? It's a roller coaster?
Yeah.
It launches with a rubber band.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
That's what the rubber bands are for. We were wondering about that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun one. Which includes these like.
Dad, where do I put these?
On the driver's seat, right place.
Oh, that looks about right. Because then that one over there can go to it too. How's it coming along, boys? Yeah?
Look.
Wow, that's gonna be so cool.
That's awesome.
Disconnect.
Where does it connect?
Ah!
Well,
Through the middle.
probably not right here.
I bet you it connects to the
Look at
right here. I bet
And
that's
this-
why this one's
And
here.
this needs to go lower. Yeah.
Daddy, look. Look, Daddy, look at this wheel.
Oh, you got a nice wheel, bud.
You're right. You're right. That looks good, guys.
Yeah, it looks right.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh, Isaiah?
How do we,
Right. Don't take it off.
Mom, how do we start that car?
You're in the right
To
spot.
start the car?
Yeah.
Our van?
We use the
Or this car? It takes a rubber band, babe.
Just take it off. Just go up here. I think that's where it goes. But you're doing good. We're almost there. Those and one of these, and it just looks more fancy. It goes like this. Because if that one ends, it'll make it look like a circle when it's really not.
What are you looking for, Ashlyn? Oh, the mascara. I thought it was in the van. Hey, guys. Be nice to Isaiah.
Hey, Ziggy.
Be nice to
This is your
Isaiah.
project, Isaiah.
Isaiah, you be nice.
Are you being a monster? We need to go wash your face, bud.
You go get ready to go. Go wash up your feeties and your hands.
You want to go wash the hand? Let's go find face wash. We need to go buy you some shoes, and we need to wash the hand.
Wow, you guys finished it!
Hold on, let me get this off.
Yay!
That's right.
That is like the coolest
So the rubber
thing
band hooks.
ever.
That's here. And then it stretches back underneath the middle of there. Right?
Oh, boys, you guys worked so hard on this. I'm so proud of you.
And then,
And I know where that hooks.
alright.
Hooks to the back of this.
There's a little peg right there.
Yeah. Oh.
There it is. Alright. And then you pull it back carefully and then launch it carefully. Kind of stuck because this isn't standing.
With the rubber band.
Go.
Pull.
Whoa.
Oh, a little bit further back.
Nice.
That won't work.
Now we get this clip back on. Here.
No. Dad.
He'll launch it in a minute.
Hey, don't.
He just wants to make sure it's right,
Let's
Jesse.
not make sure it's gonna go all the way. Oh, this came unfit, so.
He's trying to make sure it's correct first.
Make sure it's gonna go all the way first. Okay? That's what I want to do. I want to make sure it's gonna make it all the way.
Isaiah, no. Tell him no. I don't know where you learned that from. So we're having a hard time pulling it far enough back to actually go around the whole track.
Yeah, we might have to re-engineer, redesign this thing.
Go back harder.
On the track.
Harder. Harder.
I
Harder.
think that's the starting point.
Alright, go. Whoa! Almost!
My
The
turn.
closest it came.
My
It came undone. This part. You can't hold the top.
Alright! Yay! Oh, almost! Almost!
Just get stopped on this loop. I think this loop is too big. We need to make it faster coming down to that loop. So it's
Very, very cool. Good job, boys!
This is where
too fun.
they do it all the way to here, then it goes down.
Go the other way, Ziggy. No, just go the other way, Ziggy.